I'm Joris Oeden and I'm from Germany.
My name is Gijs Schumer and I'm studying in Groningen for already 5 years now.
My name is Emer. I'm from Dublin in Ireland and I am studying the Masters in Science in Interdisciplinary Business.
I chose this master program because it's very closely related to the professional field.
I choose this master because in my bachelor's I wasn't challenged enough. You get to solve real life problems with theory instead of developing knowledge and developing theories.
So we have classes about technology, we have classes about sustainability.
For the first 3 days, when we started the course, we did the hackathon. So we were given a case about building a biogas generator in the city, and we had to research how that idea would be feasible. And we really got to know each other by working on this case. It was really fun. We got to meet some lecturers who were going to be teaching us on the course, and we really got a taster for what we were about to do for the coming year.
The second part was an innovation assignment. We had a networking event with lots of companies and they introduced their topics to us so we could literally introduce us to actually gain this project for us.
One of the best things I learned during this master was the skill of really the critical thinking part.
So you have a class of 25 people and there are always 2 teachers who come from different schools, who are specialized in different fields, who give you different perspectives. And I think that's the most important part, that already in class, the interdisciplinarity is shown.
The work that we do is more immersive and engaging, and it's more applicable in the professional field. Yes, we do research, but it's in an applied context, and I just think that's really useful.